Thank you.
I ever wore ashes and dust. I made an island facing the end. I said, what for? Sometimes it's a battle, at times it's a war, but you're never defenseless. Sometimes we all lose strength. Please don't lose your faith. After our time has passed, we're like light through stained glass. We go on and on and on. In the end, we're never gone. Out of the skies, I shaped the silence, and from the earth, I carved these walls. A piece of the world was only mine, and then I said, I wanted more. At the edge of the blackness, when you're stretched to the core,